Hi everyone, I'm Vivian from Melbourne TT Study Center. So today I'm just gonna pretty much go through the overview of the topic today, which is today we will go through the three topics, the most important topic for your listening and your speaking. Okay, so the first one is repeat sentence. Second topic is write from dictation and retell lecture. Okay. Right. So in terms of the three topic today, if you have a look at the score guide that show you on the screen, okay. So this is the our PT academic score guide available on ptstudycenteronline.com.au. So from this academic score guide, what you can see, you will see that part one, which is speaking and writing. Okay, part two, which is reading, and part three, which is listening. Okay, now our topic today, if you can go through the academic score guide, you can be able to see that. Repeat sentence is the second topic in your speaking. Retell lecture is the fourth topic in your speaking. And in terms of writing from dictation, you can be able to see that this is the last topic in your listening. And this is also the last topic in your PT exam, okay? Right, now how important of these three topics today regarding to your design score, I would say, is pretty much, these are the topics that I would say important for all design score. Even though you aim 50 plus, 65 plus, or 79 plus. Okay. So for these three topics, if you click on it on the portal, you can see that repeat sentence is a topic give you mark for listening and speaking. Okay. And how many questions you have in the exam, and how can you be able to know your performance, which is you can look on enabling skill. Okay, so that is the repeat sentence. All right, now next one. Right, the next topic is retell lecture. Okay, so if I click on retell lecture, you will be able to see that is contribute more for your listening and speaking again. All right, and the same enabling skill, which is oral fluency and pronunciation. Okay, now this topic also give you mark for listening and speaking, which is similar to repeat sentence. So as you can see, if you do well for these two topics, it will boost your listening as well. Okay, right. Now let's go to write from dictation. So in terms of write from dictation, this is the last topic in your PT exam and last topic in your listening. Now, in terms of the skill profile, you can be able to see that write from dictation contribute mark for your writing and listening. So this is the most important topic for your writing as well. If you have a look at the score matrix, you can be able to understand better in terms of these topics. So we look at the PT material. Okay. Now, PT material, in the PT material, you can go through the score matrix, which is shown on the screen. Okay, I'll just click on it. Right, so this will help you to understand how important of this topic to your design score. Okay, right, let me go through your speaking first. Now, in terms of speaking, retell lecture and repeat sentence contribute a lot to your speaking. Okay, repeat sentence 29%, retell lecture 22%. So you must do well for these two topics to get a good score for your speaking. Okay. Right now, if you scroll up, you can be able to have a look in your listening. And in terms of the listening, repeat sentence is the most important topic. Okay. And then retell lecture. So that's how it shows you on the screen. Okay. Right. So if you see What else do you see from your listening that beside repeat sentence and retell lecture, write from dictation is the second most important topic in your listening. If you do well for these three topics, you pretty much get more than 50% in your listening. Okay, right. So this is the reason why these three topics are very important to your design score. Okay. Right now, if you scroll down, I need you to have a look at writing score matrix. In terms of writing score matrix, why it's important? Because write from dictation give you mark for listening and writing. And unfortunately, it gives you the most mark for your writing as well. So if you do well for this topic, it will boost your writing and listening. Okay, right. So as you can see that these are a very important topic for listening and speaking and your writing too. So how can you practice? Okay, you can just go to your Iowa. So in terms of repeat sentence, what does it mean? It means that you need to listen to the speaker, okay? And after the audio finish, you need to repeat the sentence, okay? So you try your best to repeat as much as you can. And this will contribute mark. So what you say is what you get. So if you say correctly from what the speaker say, then you get good mark for your listening, okay? And in terms of speaking, when you are speaking, make sure you don't hesitate, oral fluency, as well as try to make your pronunciation as clearly as possible. Okay, so this is repeat sentence. Right now, what about retell lecture? For retell lecture, I'll click on it. As you can see, for example, this is the exam question, right? You listen to the audio. Okay, and you need to take notes. So when you are listening to the audio, you need to take notes, right? So after the audio finish, what you have to do, you have to retell the lecture, okay? And to be able to retell the lecture, you need to look at your notes, all right? So this is something I want you to know that when you are listening to the audio, make sure you try your best to take as many keywords as you can. So that's the retell lecture. And last one is write from dictation. So write from dictation, what does it mean? It means that you have to write down exactly as what the speaker say, okay? And you will listen to the audio. So this is the audio from the speaker. You listen to what the speaker say, and you need to write down exactly as the speaker say, which is in here, okay? To be able to know how to do it and what are the techniques pretty much is covered in our lecture, okay? So today I'll just give you a brief overview about what are these topics and how important are they to your design score, okay? So for example, after you have done on Iowa, it will show you the score, okay? And this will show you how computer mark based on your answer and the correct answer. All right then, so these are the three topics today, and this is just the overview to show you what are they and how they are important to your design score, okay? And if you are the first time take PTE exam, I would suggest you to go through the score guide, okay? And find out what do you need to do in your exam. So this is the test format, right? And exactly what I show you on the screen from here that I showed you earlier. Okay, exactly the same. And if you scroll down, it will explain to you what you have to do during your exam. Okay, yeah. For retell lecture, after listening to or watching a video of the lecture, you need to retell the lecture. Okay, right. And for repeat sentence, after listen to a sentence, you need to repeat the sentence. That's all. Okay, right. And if you scroll down, you will see listening, which is right from dictation. And after listen to the recording of the sentence, you need to type the sentence exactly as you listen. Okay. All right then. So that is all about our pretty much the summary of our topic today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.